Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can use your mosquito fluid for longer. This is the box of the fluid, and it's important to note that this fluid is dangerous for aquatic, like if you have a fish tank, if you have fish, or you just don't throw it in the sink. And also you shouldn't be eating this, obviously, you shouldn't be drinking it. So I have a problem with this machine. You see that it has the heating element. They all have the heating element, maybe in different positions, but this one it has it there, and it got burned on the side here, and because of that it's not getting it's not working properly. So one trick I could use is to just spin it so it turns away with the burnt side, and I can face the clean side towards the heating element, so that should make it work. But sometimes even that doesn't work. So what do you do when there is still fluid left in there, which is a bit like 15%, maybe even 10%? So you can do this thing. Just use a pair of pliers and pull out this wick. This thing is made to pull out the fluid from the bottle. So you just remove it slightly, slowly. Make sure you don't drink this and you don't leave it somewhere where anyone could use it in a different way. Maybe for you it's gonna be a bit more difficult to remove, but it will come out. The trick is very simple. You just reverse this wick, so the burnt side goes inside the bottle, and you have to push it down a bit, which is good because you don't want this to be easily removable. You want it to stay in there and only coming out a little for the mosquito repellent to work. You see now you have to push it all the way down, and now it's using the fluid that is left, and the top side of the wick is like new. It's brand new. So like this way you can use a bit more of this fluid. This might happen even earlier, before it's like this 15%, maybe 10%. So it's ready. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already to see more interesting videos like this one. And tell your friends about this channel. Ask them to subscribe to see interesting videos. Oops. Yeah, these warnings are very important. You have to make sure you don't allow anyone to drink this or eat it, and don't throw it in the sink or especially if you have a fish tank, nowhere near the fish tank. And yeah, don't throw it in the sea or a lake. It's toxic for aquatic life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you next time. You see it's there nicely, and you can even spin it on one side or the other side, and there is still plenty of fluid left. Thanks for watching. Bye.